स्टार्ट होने लगा तू भी ना ढोल दे नाल इश्क नॉन स्टॉप।
Slow it down.
ओ एक तेरे संग यारा अख लड़ने लगी, अख लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी।
एक तेरे संग यारा अख लड़ने लगी, अख लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी।
ओ तेरे दिल के इशारे ये तो पढ़ने लगी,
लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी।
ओ मुंडा जिद पे अड़ा, ओ तेरे पीछे पड़ा। ओ मुंडा जिद पे अड़ा, तेरे पीछे पड़ा। मेरे नाल कर ले जरा। दिल देना दिल लेना, दिल देना दिल लेना है सौदा,
है सौदा, है सौदा करा करा, है सौदा करा करा, है सौदा करा करा, है सौदा करा करा।
Oh my God. तुझे लगता खराब मुझे लगता बुरा, सौदा इश्क दा जो है तेरा आ आ। एवे सेट तू ना हो पर हाथ let me go, स्पॉइल करना तू मूड मेरा आ आ।
ओ दिल को तूने छुआ, ओ झट सेंटी हुआ। ओ दिल को तूने छुआ, झट सेंटी हुआ। मेरे नाल कर ले जरा। दिल देना दिल लेना, दिल देना दिल लेना
है सौदा, है सौदा, है सौदा करा करा, है सौदा करा करा, है सौदा करा करा, है सौदा करा करा।
ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਧੁੰਮਾਂ ਪੈ ਗਈਆਂ, ਤੂੰ ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਤੋਂ ਆਈ ਨੀ। ਤੈਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਭਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਖੜੇ ਚੌਂਕਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਿਪਾਹੀ ਨੀ। ਕੋਟੀ ਤੇ ਕਾਲਾ ਦਿਲ ਕੁੜੀਏ, ਕੋਟੀ ਤੇ ਕਾਲਾ ਦਿਲ ਕੁੜੀਏ, ਜੋ ਦਾਗੇ ਚੰਨ ਦੇ ਟੁਕੜੇ ਤੇ। ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ, ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ, ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਜੱਜਦਾ ਏ ਗੋਰੇ ਮੁਖੜੇ ਤੇ। ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਜੱਜਦਾ ਏ ਗੋਰੇ ਮੁਖੜੇ ਤੇ। सड़कों पे चले जब लड़कों के दिलों में तू आग लगा दे बेबी फायर। नकली से न करे तू करे जब देखे हमें झूठी लायर। काला काला चश्मा जचता तेरे मुखड़े पे, जैसे काला दिल जचता है तेरे चिन पे। अपनी अदाओं से ज्यादा नहीं तो 10-12 लड़के तो मार ही देती होगी तू दिन में।
जैसे 36 फिरते हैं मेरे वर्गी और न होनी वे, वर्गी और न होनी वे, वर्गी और न होनी वे। तू मुंडा बिल्कुल देसी है, मैं कटरी ना तो सोनी वे। ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ 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 ਉਹ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਜੱਜਦਾ ਏ ਗੋਰੇ ਮੁਖੜੇ ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਜੱਜਦਾ ਏ ਗੋਰੇ ਮੁਖੜੇ ਤੇ ਜੱਜਦਾ ਏ ਗੋਰੇ ਮੁਖੜੇ ਤੇ
नकली से न करे तू करे जब देखे हमें झूठी लायर
मैनू काला चश्मा ओ मैनू काला काला चश्मा ए काला चश्मा ओ काला 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 काला
As long as I've known my dad, he's been a very unique character. My dad, he's a very loud person. If you're there with him, you know he's there. Even when driving down the streets of St. Morlo, he makes sure the volume on his golf carts at max and that the neighbors know that he was there. Or even when on the elevator, even if he's going down just one floor, he will make sure to talk to the guy in the elevator. Growing up, I've always been like, Dad, why are you always talking to these people? But now that I have grown up a little bit, I've come to appreciate this. Now that I'm in college, I'm always thinking about internships and careers. And being a person that is kind of extroverted, but still has social anxiety, it's sometimes hard to talk to people, especially important people. So for example, I could be at a career fair and I see a very high up recruiter and I'm like, oh, I really want to talk to this guy. I want to, get his number and stuff. And then in my head, I'm thinking, I'm like, oh no, what if he doesn't like me? Oh, what if he doesn't think I'm the person that will fit his job or whatever, Then I think of my dad. I'm like, my dad, he would have already got up to this guy, probably said something silly, booked a round of golf with him, and talked to him already. Then I muster up enough courage, go talk to him. I probably do say something stupid, but at least I did go up to him and did that. As long as I've known my dad, he's always been that type of guy. We played hours and hours of ping pong, pool, tennis, golf, and he's always talking to me about my golf swing Even though his golfer friends here know I have a better golf swing than him. But my dad has always been the type of guy to have a big imagination. He's always thinking about huge, huge things. And that's something that I admire about him. And Dad, I know that I've learned a lot from you, and I just want to say that I'm very proud of you. Happy 50th birthday, and I love you.
Hi guys.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm not good at expressing. I don't like to talk much, but yeah, for him I will. Yeah. So is it good? Hi guys. Okay. So first of all, happy birthday, Mama. I call him Mama. He's like my father figure. He's always been guiding me. He's always been guiding me since when I was in high school, and getting here and coming into the United States, he's always helped me out. Even when things were going the way it should, he always stood by my side. And I remember, I know he might not remember that, but when things weren't going the way it should, I called him once and I told him, Mama, I want to go for one more time. And instead of giving any other advice, he immediately said, yeah, please go for it, go with it. So all these things, I mean, makes him a better personality, and I think I've never seen anyone like him. And I'm so glad that I have someone like him in my life. I'm so grateful that I could grow under his guidance, and I've been trying to follow whatever he says, even though he bashes me out sometimes. But it's fine. I find something or the other good in that, and I think he's truly a good human being. And I think whatever he does, like, he's truly very energetic as well. Like, look at this party. He was so energetic behind everything, every detail behind this. And one more thing, whenever I come back home, I don't eat much, but he'll be ready with some random ass recipe out there. Even though it sounds super horrible, but it tastes good. And even if it does not, it's the effort that matters, right? So I'm truly grateful. I was not prepared for any of it. So thank you so much, Mama. I hope I'm here to see his 75th birthday as well. So thank you so much. Happy birthday.
Okay, it's finally my turn. Seems like I don't need a mic. You can hear me? So thank you each and every one of you for coming and making this day special for Rahul. It means a lot to him and lot to all of us. I want to first start by thinking about my mom-in-law. She was such a special person, and this is definitely the way she took care of all of us, but only because of her, the Creator has brought him here, right? So without her, we cannot start this. Yes, I will come by. And of course, always, she was for her, I was her favorite person. Doesn't matter what happens in the house, she was always by my side, never on Rahul's side. And so many times I don't think I had even made a cup of tea when she was here with me for 6 months. I was just treated like a queen. And of course, thank you to my father. Even today, I know he got to become the best student of my father in the last 1 year we were together. But I'm very thankful to him as well, because he fills in the role of mother as well, my father. I can just give him a call and he's there for me. So, of course, the entire Rahul's family. I wish for the I don't even think it is Rahul's sister's wife. It's my sister's wife. Rohan has gone to college, but Ankit, you are just more than my son. I'm so thankful to your mom for raising such a wonderful child. I know she's also my best friend. So I'm just thankful to your entire family. I know you had a great time growing up with everybody. And because of you, they are in my life. So I'm grateful for that. Rahul, as far as I know, for Rahul, everything starts with food and everything. Doesn't matter if you're angry. If you're angry, Rahul thinks you're hungry. Doesn't matter what you're angry about. I say, I am angry right now. I ate a lot of food. It's like, no, you must not have eaten enough. And he thinks the solution for everything is to pick it up. So it doesn't matter what happens in the house. As you know, if somebody is mad at him, he quickly goes to the kitchen and cooks something for them and brings them. So I know, like if he had an opportunity today, instead of all the food, he would have his homemade tofu mushroom. So many years together now, I know, I think more years together, and I don't know how many more years to go together. But every moment is special, and all I can tell you is that the biggest gift I can give you is accept you the way you are. I guess all our life from the time we get married to now, it's all about how you can change for each other. So now it's all about how I can transform myself to accept everything that is around me, the way it is. So thank you again for everybody for making this day special for us.
My dad is so helpful in so many ways. Like in my tennis, he's always telling me how to bend down really low and how to swing farther and keep open. He helps me in so many ways, and I can't be more grateful to
Okay, so I know this guy for since he moved in here. He fucker has balls to call me Chotu, and look at him. That's the reason I love this guy, because he has like so much confidence. He doesn't care what the F you think about him. He does what he believes in, and he does it. And that's like immense respect for that. But the best thing is like this LKB is finally turning grey. 90% of the people did not understand what that
Guys, thank you so much. On the fly, like a super big bag, it's just one to get clear to our this coverage. They policy guys. Thank you so much. I'm telling you that, Only 3 big bags. If we got to the birthday celebrations and all of that showed up. Thank you so much. All of the guys, thank you all of you guys. Love you guys. Thank you for coming guys. Thank you.
Shorty छल्लो